days after cementation. It's a 5 implant, 6 implant, sorry. It's very thin, same thing. And we did not cement here, so that we're going to put the temporary cement. This is too low. Wait, I'm not going to cover. This is a frame what I finish it carefully, and you see the 1mm open the bite. The key is especially between the teeth and implant side must be open for cleanability. Okay, like that. And this one, due to excess hold facially, will make the single crown the top of this here. And all open. And another exciting part is trying to decrease as much as possible the lingual area. So trying to make the modify with pani, which is a matter. And also the finally I checked with a passive draw between the teeth. We're going to make 3 unit, 4 unit probably, and single. 3 unit, single, 3 unit bridge. Okay, stay tuned. This is the final metal framework. It's like very slim, like the open between brazier. Very thin, passive draw. Make sure everything's done. Now we're going to do a pack. Final, you see our effort. The first we took a stain from the monolithic 3-unit bridge top, and then make the really good the tissue contour. It build up with 2 different color, and whenever take it out, really carefully it's now broke this, so we don't need any composite underneath. So we're using the only ceramic, as you can see that one. It's another beautiful 7-star case. And different thing is the here, doctor we're going to put the cement in that area. So we're not going to cement here. Okay, so we'll cement individually here. This, we cement it. Except that it's lateral. And 3-unit bridge also. This is the final work. It's another beautiful case. It's like that. See the great amount of translucency, and we decrease the PMMA from here to make lifelike restorations. Okay, it's more thinner. Okay, thinner than this. And this is we're going to be finals. Now to show you guys about before we put the cement underneath, so you will make the one piece. Okay, so after cementation with a 5 implant, 6 implant, sorry. And it was very thin, same thing. And we did not cement here, so doctor we're going to put the temporary cement that area. So this is the final, okay? And we give them the good soft night guard. And then especially these lower teeth as the fake restoration here, and then some of the natural teeth is a great option for this, so we can get the great bite and occlusion contact. So after we mount it, this, so we can get the best occlusion contact like this. Okay, so doctor provided these great henna articulations, and this is another single, so she will going to put the later. Sometimes I make the notch in the back side, sometimes I don't, depends on the doctor. Anyway, this is the final great full mouth Titan 7-star case. The only thing is doctor have to do a little bit tricky. So they have to do a little bit push here so they can get the same line angle. Okay. This is another beautiful one. And compared to before, the patient's informations we changed quite a bit. So we extend a little bit more, so it's not to see the gummy smile patient, which is this is temporizations exactly like this. This is make the better the contour for this. Okay, so this one is the final, and compared to this, this is the matching the great symmetry and the lateral and canine. Right, so this is Titan 7-star cases make really thin and the single. Okay, thanks for watching. That's my behind the story. Cool. Okay, so with the gummy smiles, we improved the better smile line and the mid-symmetry. So to get the better girly looking, add here too correction about the PMMA, which is the doctor tried the patient's mouth like this. So I corrected with the Titan 7-star to get the better. So this is the final 7-star restorations. You see the whole information, enhance teeth, color, shape and contour, and then here the finger, double cemented, and then this beautiful case is extremely thin case though. Okay, this is underneath. Make the thin as possible. Trying to make the great hygiene as well. Okay.